Hi there. In this video, I will walk you through a USO core diagonal trade opened during a sharp oil rally driven by geopolitical tensions. My name is Gery and I'm the chief options expert at TanukiTrade. With implied volatility and core skew reaching extreme levels, I opened a very tight core diagonal above the HVL line, the high volatility level, positioning the short strike of the core diagonal above the previous high to take advantage of elevated options pricing. As volatility expanded and the market moved aggressively, I scaled out step by step, turning the trade into a risk-free position and eventually closing the entire structure within 2 days for a quick profit. The key takeaway here is how extreme volatility and skew can rapidly expand the value of time spreads, creating opportunities to lock in gains through active scaling. Now let's watch the recording. In this video, I would like to show you a new position that I opened yesterday, but I had no time to create a recording about it. What we can see here is the daily chart of USO, which is the ETF for oil. And obviously, because of this geopolitical conflict between the US, Iran, and Israel, the oil price has jumped significantly in the last couple of days. And implied volatility is extremely high and also very high core pricing skew. And this creates interesting opportunities if somebody is trading with time spreads or diagonals, calendars, or butterflies. And I was looking for a setup yesterday above the HVL line that the market might be able to bounce back, but not further than the previous all-time high around here. This is what I opened yesterday, a core diagonal spread on the upside for April 10 and April 17. And there is only one strike difference between 125 and 126. And there is a small downside risk, but a higher upside risk. And I was placing the upper strike, the short strike, around 125, which is here, and the market just didn't go to 125, which is the second highest core gamma on the upside, because I thought that it might be quote-unquote safe to place the short strike above previous all-time high, and I could get filled for 25 cents. And what's interesting in this, that today, after 1 day of being open, I could close down half of the position for double the price for 50 cents. So it means that on the downside, I eliminated all my risks, because if the market falls down, no problem. I just, I took half of the position and doubled the price. That's why it's a no-risk trade on the downside, but still it's a risky trade on the upside. And right now I have a little bit positive delta, and delta will become more positive with time. So if the market just goes very easily or very slowly to the upside, then it can create even more money. And here you can see my screenshots from my fears on the live trader account, 25 cents and 50 cents today. So right now, the only risk I have is on the upside, which is pretty risky, because in a geopolitical situation like this, market can move very fast, especially oil. So I have to watch the position and see how the market reacts. And if I need, I have to scale out or just, close the position. Right now, this is a pretty big range between the highest put wall and the highest call wall. We are above HVL. So I might assume that the market might be able to zigzag between these levels in the next couple of days. And if I'm right about it, I can still scale out from the position in higher prices, for higher prices than 50. Let's see what happens. I will continue from here. It's Thursday, and look at this crazy market, what happened since yesterday. Right now, what we can see is that USO is around in an 8% gap up after the open, and yesterday the core pricing skew was around 300%. Right now it's 457. I have never seen a pricing skew in USO like that ever, because since we started to track the call pricing and put pricing skew, the highest level was around this area, which was around 200. Right now it's twice as much. So I decided to scale another quarter of the position, and here you can see how it looks like. Yesterday I closed half of the position at 50. Now I closed another quarter of the position at 75. And if I click it or enable this line, you will see that if the market crashes, there will be no downside risk. I can make 150 if USO crashes in a day. And here is the screenshot of my fear from my live trader account. And on the upside, since I scaled out a lot of profit, it's almost riskless. But if we further scroll down here, we can see that 295 might be a break even on the upside. So I would handle it as a riskless trade. But I'm also not going to hold this until the 10th of April, which is pretty far from here. It's around 1 month in the future. What I would like to do or aim for is getting out from the last quarter of the position at exactly $1. Right now the spread is pretty high, obviously, because implied volatility is huge and pricing skew is also huge. There is a very big hype around this oil stuff. So I set the GTC limit order for $1. If it fails, I'm out of the position. If it's not, I'm still okay holding onto it because there is no risk in it anymore. So this is the current state of the position. I will continue from here. It's still Thursday, and my last recording was around 20 minutes ago, and I did not think that the price will be filled as fast as this, but the last quarter was also sold for $1 exactly. And here you can see the screenshot of the fear credit, $1 on the live trader account. And if I enable this, it will show you that the final profit of this trade was $350 based on the 200 total debit as an initial debit. Actually, the position is closed right now. It was a pretty quick win in 2 days. Sometimes it happens with diagonals and calendars when implied volatility is pretty high or the bid-ask spreads are pretty wide. And this was a good example of that. So the position is closed right now. I hope you liked it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you for your attention. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and check out our other videos. You can always find us at the links in the description. Trade safe out there.